Kikuu cha Sokoine cha kilimo SUA.
The aim of SUA is to show you how complicated it is, for example, to form a consortium. You are going to organize a group. Now you don't know each other as well, or maybe you know each other as well in some other arenas. Now you are going to know each other as members of a project. Then you will realize who is difficult to retire interest, who is difficult to go to the field, who is difficult to bring content to our annual reports. Managing consortium, inaanzia pale, starts there. And then when you get these projects, you'll be dealing with people in UK, in Ukraine, in all these places. So you have to start learning now that it is very complicated. It can be very complicated to deal with people, to deal with this consortium. Is that understood? So it's a small money, but aims at training you that way. It tells you how to manage resources. It's 20 million, yes. But if you cannot manage 20 million, how can you manage the money that these guys get for research? So you have to start learning how complicated it is to manage that small grant, prepare financial reports, retire your impress, ndio? Mwisho wanawaambia mwende na wasibu kupeleka hela, kwa sababu you can't retire your impress, no? Why should we reach that stage? Sasa hii yote inafundisha how to go about kwenye SUARES. But also it tells you about your obligation as scientists to report, because that will be key when you become researchers managing large grants. Reporting, quarterly reports. Maybe some even have Zoom meeting every month. So you have to get used to that kind of life. That people give you money, they trusted you with a lot of money. What they want back is reporting, because they have to be sure that their money is coming out. Then monitoring. You can have a project in there, but how do you monitor that project? How are you sure that the extension officer in there is really going to the field? So all these are what? All these are challenges. You go to a field, you want a group of farmers, good farmers. And the village chairman will put the wife, the husband, the uncle, the auntie, the son, everyone from one family. Yes, so you have to know about reporting and monitoring, but finally publication. Normally this training, I'm sure they are followed up by the workshop on writing or preparation of manuscript. I don't know how you put it. Because you need manuscripts, you need papers, you need publications. As I say, this publish or perish. How do you tell a farmer to do something that has not been peer reviewed? It doesn't matter, it doesn't have to go to a journal, yes, but people should peer review that whatever you tell them is correct. Huwezi ukajificha kwa sisi tunatengeneza tu leaflet bwana, tunadeal na wakulima. Au who said mkulima is a person who can be given any garbage? The whole practice is peer review. Your peers should review your work and say that what you're saying is correct, then take it to the farmers. You can't skip it, isn't it? And nowadays, do you know there is a journal called F1000? It's a very interesting journal, because that journal review process is open. Yani wewe ukisubmit paper yako wao wanaiachia dunia ikureview. And that's the best thing I think to happen. Kwa mwingine atakubombard, mwingine atakublast, it doesn't matter, lakini that's what people feel. Achana na ile review ya reviewers 1, 2, 3. But here is open. Even Frontiers of Science, sometimes they can subject your paper kwenye public review. Watu wanasema hii methodology is wrong, that thing is wrong, blah blah blah. But in the end, as I said, you have to publish, and publish in good journals. Jaribu, try as much as possible.
Chuo Kikuu cha Sokoine cha kilimo SUA.